Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Lifescience with Nivedita. So in this video, I'll solve Kset 2024 general paper. So this is only 22 key answers, and I already made a video on solving Lifescience paper 2024, and link is provided in description. Kindly check it out. So now without any further delay, let's get started. So the first question in this general paper, that is regarding the statements. So here some statements are there. Statement A, that is some tins are round, some cups are round. So some confusions are given here. That is some tins are cups, all round things are either tins or cups. Some tins are rectangular and some cups are flat. So here some tins are round. So here this is round. Okay, so some tins are round. And in the same way, some cups are round. Some cups also belongs to the round. Okay, so when compared to this conclusion here, some tins are cups. You can see tins is not at all related with the cups, because tins is present in the round and cup is present in the round. Okay, so all round things are either tins or cups. This sentence is also not okay with this. Some tins are rectangular. Here we are not talking about the rectangular and also flat things. So that's why these conclusions, and none of the conclusions will follow the statement. So that's why option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, so now move to the next question. Okay, so this is direction questions. From a point S, Rohan walked 30 meters to the north. Okay, so now we'll start. So from the point S, so let me take this is S point. Okay, so from the S point, this is S, Rohan walked 30 meters to the north. So he walked 30 meters. Okay, so he walked. Okay, he walked 30 meters to the north. This is north. Okay, so then turning to his right, walked 30 meters. So he turned to his right and again walked for 30 meters. And he again turned to his right and walked another 50 meters. Okay, so he again, from this direction, he again turned to his right side, right direction, and he walked for 50 meters. He walked for 50 meters and finally turned to his right and walked 30 meters. And finally, he turned to his right direction and walked 30 meters. In which direction and at what distance is he from the starting point S? Okay, from this is what the starting point is. So here, this is 50 meter, right? So here from the north, here 30 meters are there. The remaining meters is what? That is 20 meter. So 20 meter to south. Okay, so option 2, that is 20 meters to the south, is the correct answer. Okay, so now move on to the next question. Okay. So the annual requirements of blood in our country is 6 million units, whereas the generation is only 3.6 million units per annum at present. So course of action are: blood donation should be attracted by telling them how the act of donating blood would improve their health. This is also, holds for this statement. So blood donors should be attracted by providing them monetary incentives. Anyway, money also plays role. Then more and more private blood banks should be encouraged. So this is also okay with this, all three options. But somehow with between this second option and fourth option, answer will be correct. Okay, because this first and second options having the this more thing. And this third option is also belongs to this course of action. So between these two options, answer will be correct. Okay, so second or fourth option, second or fourth. Okay, so the next one. Okay, the ratio of ages of the father and son at present is 19:5. After 4 years, the ratio will be 3:1. What is the sum of present ages of father and son? Okay, So the ratio of this father and son is what? That is 19:5. That is present. Okay. So after 4 years, after 4 years, it will 3:1. So present the ratio is 19:5. So after 4 years, it will be 3:1. Okay. So let me take this ratio as F divided by S. That is father and also son ratio. That is 19:5. 19 divided by 5. Okay. So therefore, F is equal to 19S divided by 5. Just cross multiply. So this equation 1. This is equation 1. So now after 4 years. So what is the ratio of after 4 years? That is 3:1. Right. So therefore F plus 4 divided by S plus 4 is equal to 3 divided by 1. This is 3:1 ratio. And why plus 4? Because after 4 years we are calculating the ages. So that's why F plus 4. Okay. So just cross multiply this thing. F plus 4 is equal to 3 into S plus 4. So then, okay. So F plus 4 is equal to 3S and 3 4s are 12. So then 3S, when 3S come this side, F minus 3S is equal to 12 minus 4. So this is F minus 3S is equal to 8. So take this equation as 2. Okay. So next, so just minus with the present ratio, that is 19S divided by 5 minus 3S is equal to 8. So take this equation as equation 3. Just take LCM. Okay, take LCM. That is 19S minus 15S. To both the things, take the LCM is equal to 8. Okay, so once we take the LCM, that is 4S divided by 5 is equal to 8. Okay, so now 4S is equal to 40 and S is equal to 10. So this is what? This is the age of sun. Age of the sun. So when come to the father age, that is F minus 3S is equal to 8. So S is what? The value of S is 10. So F minus 10 3s are 30 is equal to 8. So F is equal to 8 plus 30. That is the father age is what? 38. So the sum of present ages of the father and son, the sum of present ages of father and son, that is F father and also son. Father age is 38 and also son age is 10. So the answer is 48. Option 2, 48 is the correct answer. Okay, so this is second option is the correct answer for this fourth question. So now move on to the next question. So here some signs used in mathematics are replaced by different symbols as follows. So this stands for division, this stands for multiplication, and this stands for addition, then subtraction, equals to, greater than, lesser than, given. Choose the correct answer from the following option given below. Okay. So here by this thing, this stands for division. So this stands for addition, 8 plus, okay, 2. And this stands for minus 6. This stands for, okay, 5 into 2 minus 6. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 10 minus 6. LHS equals to RHS. So option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, when replaced by these different symbols, when compared to the different options and all, option 1 is the correct answer. Okay. So next one, expand QR code. So usually QR code is nothing but quick response code. So option 2 is the correct answer for this QR code, that is quick response code. Okay, so next question. Okay, so total number of students in a school is 3600, and the percentage of students enrolled in different hobby classes in the school is as follows. So here the percentage are given: cooking classes, singing classes, then drama, dancing, stitching, painting, etc. Then what is the total number of students enrolled in stitching and drama classes together? So here we have to calculate the drama classes enrolled students, and also stitching classes. So first one is drama. So drama is 13%. Okay, 13% of students are enrolled for the drama. So 13% means 13% of 3600 students. That is 13 divided by 100 into 3600. That is, this is cancelled. 36 13s are 468. Okay, so next is what, that is stitching. So in stitching, 11%. So here 11% is the stitching. 11% of 3600. The same thing, 11 divided by 100 into 3600. That is 396. Okay. So when we add these two things, 468 and 396, and the answer will get 864. Okay. So 864. Option 3 is the correct answer for this question. Okay. So next one. So in tossing an unbalanced coin, the probability of getting a head is 2 times the probability of getting a tail. 2 times. Okay. Then which of the following is true? So this question is based on probability. So here P is head. Okay, that is probability of head is equal to 2 by 3 probability, that is getting tail, is equal to 1 by 3, because when tossing an unbalanced coin, the getting probability of getting head is 2 times of the probability of getting tail. Okay, so that's why this fourth option is correct. So next one, immediate interference. So here set A is clerks. So here A is there no, that represent clerks, and set B is graduates. Set B are graduates. Then set C is government employees. Some graduates are government employees but not clerks. Which is that group? So some graduates are government employees. You can see some of the graduates are government employees. So this one. So the group is what? F group. So this F group is belongs to what? Some graduates are government employees but not clerks. So here you can see this F is not related with the clerk thing. It is only related with the government employees and also graduates. So F, that is option 2, is the correct answer. Okay. So next question, if A and B are brothers, C is the sister of A, D is the sister of E, and E is the daughter of B, then who is the uncle of D? So here A and B are brothers. Okay, so A and B are brothers. C is the sister of A, then D is the sister of E, and E is the daughter of B. E is the daughter of B. So as A is the uncle of E and E is the sister of D, you can see E is the sister of D. So A is the uncle of E. So if A is the uncle of E means E is the sister of D. So both are uncles, no? So that's why A is the uncle of D. Okay, so option 1, A is the correct answer. Okay, so next question, choose the incorrect statements with respect to email. Okay, so with respect to email, the first one, can send only text documents through email. Email is faster than snail mail. Email is a method of exchanging digital messages over a network. Users communicating through email need not be available at the same time. So here email is, this is also correct, this is also correct, this is also correct. So here this first option is incorrect with respect to the email. Email is not only used to send the text documents, right? We can send whatever. So that's why option 1 is the correct answer for this question. Okay. So next is match the following, 12th one. So web pages means HTTP. Then voice call, B, this one, voice call. Then video conference, C, is UDP. Messaging, MMS. Okay, so all these options are there in the fourth option. So option 4 is the correct answer for this 12th question. Mismatch the following. So next question, which initiative of the government of India provides 24/7 DTH satellite TV channels? So here the answer is Swayam Prabha. Option 3 is the correct answer. Okay. So next one, which type of server redirects to the websites? So here this proxy server, this type of server will redirects to the website. So option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, so next question, which initiative of government of India facilitates academic institutions to show and publish their awards or certificates or degrees? Okay, so this one, that is National Academic Depository, that is NAD. Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, so next one, BOD, that is biological oxygen demand test, is made for measuring which of the following? So this is especially for the water pollution. So in water, to measure the pollution, we use this BOD test. So option 2 is the correct answer. So now move on to the next question. Okay. Which of the following statements are correct? In many aquatic systems, pyramid of biomass may assume upright. And statement B, energy pyramid concept helps to explain the phenomenon of biological magnification. So this one correct, but A is there, no? That is, in many aquatic system of pyramid of biomass may assume upright. So usually pyramid of number in grassland ecosystem is upright. Okay, so that's why option A is not correct. So statement B is correct. Option 2 is the correct answer. So in the codes, second code, that is statement B is the correct answer. Okay. So now move to the next question. Okay. Which of the following are the reasons or factors for exposure to benzene pollution? Automobile exhaust. Yes, this one also. Tobacco smoke, wood burning, ABCS. Using vanished wood for the furniture, using products made from polyurethane. So here A, B, C, D. So actually A, B, C options are correct options for this question, but here they are not given the combination of A, B, C. Along with this A, B, C, they have given D, then E. So here also they missed B. So somehow mistake is there in this question. I think this question will give grace marks because A, B, C are the options. Actual answer for this question. So just cross check with the question. Okay, so I just hold this particular question. Okay, so now move on to the next question. Okay, I'm asked the following. These are protocols like Kyoto protocols, climate action, then Paris agreement, and also Montreal protocol. So here Montreal Protocol is related with the phasing out ozone depletion substances. So A3. Then Paris Agreement. So this Paris Agreement is, yes, this one, intended nationally determined contributions. So next, see climate action, that is integrated water resource management. Kyoto Protocol is for this emissions trading. So for the 19th question, option 4 is the correct answer. Okay. So next question. Okay. Which of the following pairs are not correct? Sewage, oxygen demanding waste, agricultural fertilizers, plant nutrients, correct. Then land erosion, radioactivity, material decay, no, not correct. Power plants, thermal pollution. So option 3 is the correct answer, which is not correct pair. Okay. So next one, the National Institutional Ranking Framework, that is NIRF, assesses higher education institutions based on various parameters, including their history and age of establishment, no. Their student enrollment numbers, no. Their teaching, research, and outreach performance, exactly. And their annual revenue and profit, no. So usually NIRF ranking, will accesses their teaching, research, and also outreach performance. So option 3 is the correct answer. Okay. So next question is also match the following. Okay. 22. The Knowledge Commission will recommend. Okay, one second. So usually here we know about the NIRF, right, NIRF ranking, because in the previous question we discussed about this thing. So NIRF is usually for transparent and objective ranking system of higher education, right? So where D1 is there, D1 is present in the third option and also second option. So just leave these two options, first and fourth. So NIRF ranking is for the first one. So next is about Knowledge Commission. So usually Knowledge Commission is which will recommend the creation of universities. So A coming to the fourth option. Okay, so where A4 is there in the third option. And also B, Eshpal committee. So this Eshpal committee is one apex body to cover functions of all the professional bodies. And Subramanian committee, which is emphasized occasional education and skill development. So that's why option 3 is the correct answer. So next one, which of the following is not included under sustainable development goals? Okay, so here gender equality is, yes, this also. Then technological sustainability. Then technology is not. Okay. So environmental sustainability, then economic sustainability. So here general equality is also sustainable development goals. Once again, okay. 23rd. Technological, environmental, and also economic. Once again. Okay. So gender equality is there, then environmental sustainability and also economic sustainability, but this technological sustainability is not included under sustainable development goals. So that's why option 2 is the correct answer. So next question, 24th, right? Yes. So the first open university established in India. So very easy, that is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University, Hyderabad. Okay, option 1 is the correct answer. So next one, 25th, National Board of Accreditation, that is NBA, is connected with the accreditation of. So this will connected with the technical program offered by an institution. Okay, so option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, so 26th. Learning objectives in the context of a classroom means. So this learning objectives in the context of a classroom means intended learning outcomes. Option 2 is the correct answer. The right sequence of cognitive development according to Paget. Okay, according to him, the right sequence of cognitive development is, that is, first one is the sensory motor stage, then pre-operational stage, then concrete operational stage, third one, and the last one is formal operation stage. Okay, that is 3 4 2 1. 3 4 2 1 is there in the third option. So option 3 is the correct answer. So which of the following are the characteristics of Swayam portal? So here, uh, promoting high quality education only at the school level, not only at the school level. Okay. Improving access to high quality education, group DTA channels for promoting higher education, and self assessment is not possible. So here, this Swayam portal is not only for the school level. It is not fixed to the school level like that, and it will improve the access to high quality education. This statement 2 is correct. And this, group DTA channels for promoting higher education, no, this is also not correct. Then self assessment is not possible. Actually, self assessment is possible in this Swayam portal. So apart from these four options, only second option is correct. Here combinations are given, so that's why this question is also coming under hold. Okay, because 2 is correct, so wherever 2 option is there, that is second and 4 will be correct, this one or this one. Okay, so or else it will coming under the grace. Okay, so as per my knowledge, only second option is correct. Self assessment can be possible, no, I have doubt in this. So anyway, option 2 or 4 is the correct answer. Okay, so now move on to the next question. So match the following. 29. Okay. So trial and error. Trial and error means what? Practice reduce mistakes. So A3. So where A3 is there in the third option also, fourth option. Next is the classical condition. So classical conditioning means that is artificial stimuli is used in the classical conditioning. So where B, fourth option is there in the fourth option. So operant conditioning means that is enforcement is used for the learning. Then learning by insight means cognitive abilities are used for the learning. So option 4 is the correct answer. Okay. So the provision of earning credits from optional and elective courses was introduced in higher education by which of the following? So this is, this thing is introduced by the CBCA system, choice-based credit system. So option 3 is the correct answer. So next is match the following. Historical research. So historical research means what? Historical research means studying the past events, history, right? Studying the past events and examining the application to the present. So where A3 is there in the third option. So just go with this answer because this is the exact answer for this historical research. So let me check with other options also. Experimental research. Experimental research means the variables are controlled as well as manipulated. Okay, so this B4. Then survey method. Survey method is nothing but gathers data from a large number of cases at a particular time. And also action research means the researcher finds the solution by considering his or her group as a sample. Okay, option 3 is the correct answer for this question. So next one. Which of the following is the right sequence of conducting research? Okay, so to conduct the research, the right sequence are, the first thing is what? Formulating a research question. That is the first thing. So A3 is there in the first one, in the option 3. So after the formulating a research question, we have to write a literature review, then we have to collect the data, then we have to analyze the data. Okay, so that is third option is the correct answer. The next one, which of the following is a characteristic of longitudinal studies? So longitudinal studies means studying the same subjects over time. Okay, this is what explains the longitudinal studies. So option 4 is the correct answer. So next question, 34. Okay. So plagiarism in research involves. So plagiarism is nothing but using others' ideas and work without proper attribution. Okay, that is what plagiarism is nothing but just like a copy. Okay, so option 1 is a correct answer. So next one, which of the following is not a probability, sampling? That is snowball sampling. Option 2 is the correct answer. So next is passage. You have to read the passage. So I already read this passage and marked the answers. That is the following questions are given somehow belongs to this passage. So I directly go to the questions. That is the first question which is belongs to the passage is what? How many important causes does the author list out as responsible for the complexity of the intellectual life of 19th century? Okay, so here this one, option 2, that is 4. Okay, option 2 is the correct answer. Which area of the world became more aware of Indian philosophies? Okay, so here this one, 37, right? Okay, so which one? Europe. Option 2 is the correct answer. So what, according to the author, altered the social culture of 19th century? That is machine production. Option 3 is the correct answer. So who began the rationalistic revolt according to the author? So that is French philosophers will begin this revolt. Okay, so next one, next question. So all these questions are belongs to the passage. So you have to read the passage, then only you can able to answer these particular questions. Okay, so next question also belongs to the passage, that is 41. Okay, so what does the author say about science in 19th century? So this one, he says that it it had been the chief source of novelty. Option 1 is the correct answer. Okay, so next question is about the communication thing. What are the elements of Aristotle model of communication? So that is speaker, subject, and audience. Option 4 is the correct answer. Okay. So next question, 42. According to Mehraban, the respective contributions of words, then tone of voice and body language in overall communication is, that is 7%, 38%, and also 55%. Option 2 is the correct answer. Okay. So next one, the communicative act of raising a hand in a classroom is the following type of, that is, illustrator. Regulator is also correct. Illustrator or regulator? I'm confused with these two. Communicative act of raising a hand in a classroom is the following type. Once again. So not regulator actually. So this act of raising a hand in classroom usually called as illustrator gesture. Okay, option 2 is the correct answer. So next question, that is 44. Yeah. The information function of mass communication is described as surveillance. Surveillance. Option 3 is the correct answer. Okay. This is nothing but just like a spy. Okay, the same principle, that is surveillance. Okay. So now move on to the next question. Okay, that's the following. Traditional media, electronic media, then outdoor media, and also new media. So here traditional media is nothing but what? Radio, right? Traditional media, community radio. So where A belongs to the fourth, option, that is the fourth one. Then electronic media means once again. A for traditional media. Electronic media is websites. Then outdoor media is the posters. Then new media is video games. Okay, option 4 is the correct answer. So in first option also A4 is there. Once again, B electronic media. B outdoor media, the posters. D, that is new media. Okay, option 4 is the correct answer for this question in the 55th, 45th match the following. Option 4 is correct, not option first. Okay, so now move on to the next question. So in the following 4 or 5 rows of different figures are given. In each question, a specific rule is to be followed. Determine which row of figures follows the rule mentioned in the question. So the rule is what? The simple figures become more complex along a row. Choose the row in which the figure becomes more complex as you move from one column to another. Just compare these rows, okay? Just compare, and in where the figures, that is simple figures, become more complex. So that is in the just observe this third row, the figures from the simple which is became more complex. So that's why option 3 is the correct answer. You can observe the lines there, so you can compare with some other rows and all. So option 3 is the correct answer. Okay. So if the number 1, 2, 3, A, 4, B is divisible by both 5 and 12. Okay. What? 1, 2, 3, A, 4, B is divisible by 5 and also 12. Okay. So then, which of the following is sum of A and B? So these two are divisible by both the thing, 5 and 12. So which of the following is the sum of A and B? Okay, so here, which is the following of the sum of A and B? So here we have to find out the sum of A and B. So here, the number that is 1, 2, 3, A, 4, B is divisible by 5. So that it will, the unit digit must be 0 and 5. If it is divisible 5 means the B should be 0 or B is equal to 5. Okay, so now which is also divided by 12. Which is divided by 12 means which is divisible by both 3 and also 4. Which is divisible by both 3 and 4 means that is which is divisible by 4 as well as divisible by 3, right? So here, since these divisible options are there, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus A plus 4 plus B. So let me take B as a 0. So let me write here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus A plus 4 plus 0. So just add the numbers, we'll get 10 plus A. So this 10 plus A is divisible by 3. So that A is equal to 2 or A is equal to 5 or A is equal to 8. Okay. So since B is equal to 4 and the sum of the A and B, that is A plus B. A plus B is equal to what? A plus 0, that is A only. Okay, so that's why A is equal to 2, A plus B is also 2. If A is 5, A plus B is also 5. If A is 8, A plus B is also 8. So here A, the sum of A plus B will be, the sum of A plus B, that is, one second, 2, 5 and also 8. So here 2 and 8 option is not there. So 5 option is there in the first option. So option 1 is the correct answer. Okay. So now move on to the next question. Here only. So a thief is spotted by a policeman from a distance of 100 meters. When the policeman starts the chase, the thief also starts running. If the speed of the thief be 8 kilometer per hour and that of the policeman 10 kilometer per hour, how far the thief will have to return before he overtaken? So here we require the distance, then thief speed as well, and also the police speed. So here distance, nothing but speed into time. So then we have to calculate the relative speed. That is, relative speed is calculated by you know with the thief, police, and also thief kilometer. There is 10 kilometer per hour is the police speed, and also 8 kilometer per hour is the thief one. So the distance relative speed is what? 2 kilometer per hour. So then we have to find out the time which required the initial distance and also relative speed. That is 100 is the initial distance. That is okay 5 divided by 18 meter per second when compared to this relative speed. So here okay 180 seconds is there. So then when we find out the distance, thief, we have to multiply with the time. So we'll get 8 into 5 by 18 into 180, that is 2 by 5 kilometer. There are many steps are there. I missed many steps in between these things. So by solving step by step, that is with the help of distance formula, with the help of initial distance and relative speed formula and all, you'll get to know the answer. Okay, so 2 divided by 5 kilometer. 2 by 5 kilometer is the correct answer for this question. Okay. So the next question. A, B, and C can complete a piece of work in 24, 6, and 12 days, respectively. Okay. Working together, they will complete the same work in. Okay. So here, A, B, and C. So A can complete the work in 24 days. Okay. So then B, 6 days. Then C, 12 days. So this will taken as 1 unit. This is as 4 unit 4 times. This is as 2 unit. 1 za, 4 za, 2 za. Okay. So just take the LCM. Take the LCM with these things. That is 1 plus 4 plus 2 divided by 24. So by taking the LCM, we'll get next fraction of 3 divided by 7 days. Okay. So here the fourth option is correct. That is 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 3. 21 plus 3. 24 days is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. So next, that is the last one. Answer the following question on the basis of information given below. So 8 persons are there. That is P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, and W are divided into 2 groups names G1 and G2 of 4 persons each. The following restrictions hold good. P must be in the same group in which T is. Neither Q nor R can be in a group in which V is. U cannot be in a group in which both R and S are. W and U cannot be in the same group. If W and Q are in the group G1, then which of the following options are true? So here U, V, P, and T are in the group 2, no? This is what the correct answer. Okay. So option 2 is the correct answer for the 50th question. So we'll solve all 50 questions. Okay. If any mistakes are there, just let me know in the comment box, because anyway, this is the tentative key answers. 1 or 2 questions or some more questions may vary. We have to wait till final key answers will come. So then if you like this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel and follow my channel for more. Thank you for watching.